We learned a lot about tracks this last year. On my left here, the MaxTrack. On the right is the new MaxTrack 2 for 2017. A lot of feedback from riders. As you can see, the new enhancements, we've tested them a lot in the heavy snow conditions, in a condition that the original track here does not break through those crusts as well. The new track, you can see with the enhanced lugs, we've added these towers here with Camso. This track is 28% stiffer on the outside lugs, and in the center lugs also. Now, key point, we learned a lot about weight being the Yeti, and its important performance, rotating mass. This track here, 30.5 pounds. The new track, even though we've added mass to it, we shaved some outer knobs off and a few tricks on the inside, we've kept the same weight at 30.5 pounds. Its performance you can feel.